Good morning, teacher Pat and classmates. Today, we are gonna make champorado. Here are the ingredients. First, we have 2 tablespoons of sugar. Next, we have 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. If you don't have cocoa powder at home, you can use Femee if you have it home. And evaporated milk. If you don't have evaporated milk, you can use coconut milk. And next, we have malagkit rice. Now, let's make champorado. Next step is put the rice in the pot. First, we have to open the stove. Now we have to put the rice in the pot. Now we have to add 3 cups of water. The next step is put the lid in and wait for 10 minutes to boil. And stir it every once in a while. Wow, it's really being champorado now. It's getting malagkit. That's why they call it malagkit. Because they're getting malagkit. So it should be malagkit. Well, not that malagkit. But if it's that malagkit, our spoons will not get out of the champorado now. Well, looks like it's done boiling. Now, the next step is take the lid off. Then put the cocoa powder and set them hot. Then, the sugar in. Next, you have to stir it. After putting the cocoa powder in and the sugar, we have to mix it so the rice will be brown. So, just stir it for a while. Okay, it's done. After the rice is brown, you have to turn off the stove and take off the pot out of the stove. This champorado is good. But we need one more ingredient to complete our champorado. We need evaporated milk. So our champorado will be complete. Now you have to stir. And there. Well, as I said.